Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome back to my channel, Witty Creativity. Today, I have brought to you a very interesting idea to reuse old books. Yes, you heard it right. We're gonna use old books to make hanging wall shelves. We all have some old books in our house which we don't wish to throw. So, why not use them to decorate our house plus preserve our books as well? But before that, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit that bell icon. So here I have these books, some old essay books, some diaries and many spiritual books. Let's convert them into hanging shelves. Here I am taking these 3 spiritual hardbound books and stack them together. Then we'll need 2 rope of same length. You can use any rope, say jute rope, nylon rope, white rope. Just make sure it should be strong enough to hold the weight of the book. Here I have made use of a rope out of an old trouser pant. This shade was matching with my wall. You can use any rope of your choice. Then place the rope below the books at one end and tie a tight double knot like this. Repeat the same on the other end of the books. Then bring both the rope ends together and tie a single knot. And our shelf is ready. Let's see how it looks on the wall. Here I have again taken this hardbound book which already has a good color and texture. So I'll simply attach and tie rope and hang it on the wall. This bright red color shelf is really adding a nice statement to the wall. Isn't it looking beautiful? And these flowers and the vase that you are seeing, these are the DIYs from my first video. I will leave a link of that in the description box to watch that video as well. In this third type of hanging shelf, I have simply taken a book and covered it with a wallpaper. If your book is not hardbound, cut a cardboard of same size and place it under the book and then cover it with a wallpaper. Wallpaper gives any surface a classy look. If you don't have a wallpaper, you can always go for gift wrap paper or any plain texture paper as well. Rest of the procedure is same as the first idea of hanging shelf. To keep some decorative pieces on the shelf, I'll quickly show you a tutorial of a mini basket and some flowers from paper and their arrangement. This pink basket has oval shaped base. Now I'll show you a basket with circle base. For that you will need 2 cutout circles of a thin cardboard of required diameter. Start by making a paper roll. You can keep any flowers in the basket, artificial or real. I have actually placed these flower hair accessories in the basket. Another way to reuse things. Do comment and tell which basket you like, this pink one or the brown one. Time to make this super easy paper flowers. Start by taking a white paper and draw petals on it. Cut it. Then make a paper roll and paint it green, or directly make it with a green paper if you have it. Cut out long leaves out of a green paper. I have made use of this green envelope to make leaves. Then with the help of a thread, secure each petal with 1 or 2 tight knots. To arrange these flowers, I have taken this black round plastic box and a clear glass. Put some grains or sand in the glass so that the flowers don't move. Now arrange all the flowers and see, it's ready. We don't need any fancy or costly flower pots. We can simply DIY at home with easily available items. Hope you like this video. Give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Stay tuned. Thank you.